Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear little friends. How are you all today? I hope you're feeling fantastic. Guess what? Today we have a super fun and exciting lesson from Zara Publications' new Howard series for English Nursery. So are you ready to learn something new and amazing? Let's begin.
Introduction of U sound. U is the 21st letter of the alphabet. It makes the sound U, just like in umbrella. Can you say U with me? Great. Let's learn more. Word recognition. Let's look at some words that begin with U. U for urn, a big pot or vase used to store things. U for university, a big place where people go to study. U for uniform, special clothes we wear for school or work. U for umbrella, something we use to stay dry in the rain. Can you think of more words that start with U? Writing practice. Now let's learn how to write the letter U. First, we'll trace the big U on the top line. Start at the top, go down, curve, and go back up. Say the sound U as you write. Next, let's try the small U. Down, curve, and a little tail. Awesome job, everyone. Activity, beginning sound recognition. Now let's look at the pictures below. 1 UFO. What sound does UFO start with? Yes, write U. 2 umpire. That's right, write U. Again. 3 unicorn. Magical. And yes, write U. Write the letter U under each picture. You're doing amazing. More vocabulary. Let's learn some more words that begin with the letter U. New words: umpire, the referee in sports; unicorn, a magical horse with a horn; UFO, a flying spaceship; uniform, clothes we wear to school or work; university, a big place to study; urn, a large vase or pot; umbrella, something that protects us from rain. Great! You know so many new words now. Wow! What a fun day learning about the letter U. You are becoming alphabet experts. Keep practicing the sound U and try finding things around you that start with U. Next time, we'll meet another exciting letter. Until then, keep smiling, keep learning, and keep exploring. Bye-bye.